For thousands of years, people around the world have linked turmeric to healing properties and cosmetic benefits. It contains properties that contribute to a natural glow. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. These characteristics may provide glow and luster to the skin. Turmeric may also revive your skin by bringing out its natural glow. It may help with acne scarring, antibacterial potential, acne treatment, reduce inflammation, wrinkle treatment. The key to making a turmeric face mask is to combine turmeric powder or extract with a thickening agent to make a paste. Some of the ingredients may vary based on skin concern. For acne and antibacterial concerns, combine turmeric with warm water and honey. Mix it and apply on your face. For hyperpigmentation and wrinkle, combine turmeric with yogurt and lemon juice for extra nourishment and brightening effect. Mix it and apply on your face. For irritation, combine turmeric powder and aloe vera gel for natural soothing effects. Mix it and apply on your face. For antioxidant power, combine turmeric with water. You may add a small amount of almond oil or rice flour to make this mask thick and easier to apply. Mix it and apply on your face.